Today I'm in my garden. I call this my living pantry. When I need something to cook with, seasonings and whatever have you, I try to grow them myself, and that way I can just come out here and pick it and go straight to the kitchen and start cooking. Now I have a couple of structures here that I built. First, I have this structure that's built with this steel stake. You can pretty much get it at any garden store or farm market. Once you put that in, it's going to be very sturdy. And what you do is you just go out there and pick a limb from a tree, and then what you do, just tie that onto that stake, and then just create this natural looking curves, and that way the plant that you're going to be planting, it's going to follow that curve and create this beautiful, beautiful arch. Now the other structure is that I use cattle panel, and which is very simple. What I do is I stake one side in and then just bend it over and stake the other side in. Once this is fully grown and it covers the entire trellis, it creates a shade underneath. It's almost like 10 degrees cooler. It's just absolutely beautiful. Now I also have light strings, and these are solar powered, so you don't have to plug it in. And at nighttime, it just creates such a beautiful ambiance, and you can have your friends over and you go underneath and sit and enjoy and dine. Now I have my herb garden over here, which has all kinds of herbs growing. I have oregano, purple and green basils and sweet basils. I have lemon balm and Thai basils because I love cooking Thai food. Cilantro, parsley, rosemary, you name it. I got herbs growing in here, and that way if I need a certain kind of herb, all I have to do is come on out here and pick it and take it in and cook. Growing over here in this structure is Heisen Vine. These are very strong climbers, and they're just absolutely beautiful. Once it's fully grown, it's going to have these beautiful purple clusters of flowers, and also the pod that's filled with beans. When they're young, and they're edible and they're delicious. They taste like edamame, which is soybeans, and I just absolutely love them. Now over here is the nasturtiums. Now these flowers are edible. They're just absolutely gorgeous. So what I do, I just pick these, and they're all different colors. Look how beautiful these are. I am going to use these for a salad that I'm going to be making later, and just the presentation. Just put it over the salad. People eat with their eyes. When they look at the dish and it's beautiful, most likely they want to go ahead and try that dish. Why not create something like that so that it makes people happy? Life is just absolutely wonderful. Enjoy it.